Hi guys, welcome back. Here's how you can turn an AI file of any logo, for example this light bulb icon, into an AutoCAD DWG file. So once you've opened your AI or Adobe Illustrator file, go to File and then Export, and then Export As, and then change the file type into Autodesk Real DWG so that you can process this vector file in AutoCAD. So that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. And then simply, change the AutoCAD version into any version, for example, the 2007 version. And then, well, you can proceed by clicking on OK. That's how you can convert an Adobe Illustrator file into an AutoCAD DWG file. As simple as that. You can now open AutoCAD. Since I don't have AutoCAD and I only demonstrated this so that you can actually convert it into a DWG file, you can actually do it on your own. Open AutoCAD and then you have the logo done. Thanks for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.